Today we're making eggs Benedict. I made some English muffins yesterday, and I'll show you how to make a very simple blender hollandaise sauce. I'm making Julia Child's Easy Blender hollandaise sauce. It starts with 3 egg yolks. Add 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper, and a pinch of cayenne. We're going to start the food processor going, and then I'm going to drizzle in 1/2 cup of melted butter. And here is that beautiful hollandaise sauce. Of course, I'm making it with our farm fresh egg yolks, but it's just beautiful, super easy. I made some English muffins yesterday. We're just gonna get these toasted up in the toaster. I'm frying up some Canadian bacon, just warming it through. And we're just poaching some eggs. To make the eggs Benedict, I'm going to put a couple of slices of the warmed up ham on the bottom of the English muffin. And I poached an egg here. Let me see if I can get it to, there we go. I got one more coming. Trying to get all the water off. Perfect. Now we're just going to take some of the hollandaise sauce, drizzle that right on top, and that is a quick eggs Benedict. Here is my plate. Let's dig in. Look at that. Super delicious. The inspiration of tonight's meal came from the freezer. I had this leftover chili that I froze a while back. I want to use it up. And I was thinking, why not make chili dogs? And then I thought, oh, I'm going to have to make hot dog buns. Tonight for dinner we're making homemade corn dog chili dogs because I'm too lazy to make hot dog buns. I have a cup of flour, 3/4 cup of cornmeal, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of an oil. I'm just going to eyeball it. A cup of milk. And that's it. We're going to get this all mixed together. These are 1/4 pounder beef hot dogs from Costco. They're really big. I'm going to cut them in half to make it a little bit more manageable. Next, I'm just going to roll the hot dogs around in some flour. This way, the cornbread batter will stick a little bit better. Just coat the hot dog with the cornbread batter and let the excess kind of fall off. I have some oil heating up in a pan. I'm taking this right over to the pan. I have some hot oil, and then when you put it in there, kind of roll it over so that the batter kind of sets, and then you can kind of fry it. We have a little station going on here. Shredded cheese, sour cream, cilantro, cowboy candy, sliced green onions, and tomatoes. Let's get it plated up. I'm just going to take a serrated knife and just kind of open it up a little bit. Oh, the cornbread smells so good. Let me get some chili on this. All right, this is the fun part. You could put whatever you want on there. We're putting some cheese, a little bit of sour cream. We gotta have our cowboy candy. Yum. We're going big. Look at all that cowboy candy. Whew. Little green onion, little tomato for color, and some cilantro. These are our Lazy Day corn dog chili dogs. Here is my plate, and Ken found some Fritos in the pantry. Yes, it's all about the toppings. Oh my goodness, look at that. The perfect bite. Why didn't I think of this before?